Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the MA levels indicator. The moving average is a widely used technical indicator. One of the most commonly used is the 21 period exponential moving average or 21 EMA. When trading intraday, it can be advantageous for traders to be aware of the dynamic MA levels relating to all time frames, since they identify the trend direction and to determine support and resistance levels. The MA levels indicator automatically tracks and updates the dynamic MA levels for all MetaTrader 4 timeframes with the exception of the 30-minute, and displays them on the chart in the form of a short horizontal line. Let's demonstrate this on the DAX 30 chart. The DAX 30 5-minute chart is currently displaying the 21 EMA in blue in the normal manner. The 21 EMA is set to display on all time frames as shown. The MA levels indicator is selected for use by dragging it from the Favorites tab in the Navigator window and dropping it onto the chart. It has been set to display the 21 EMA levels relating to the other MT4 time frames. Each short horizontal line represents the MA for each time frame, where the length of the line corresponds to the time frame, in that the longer the line, the higher the time frame. The MA for the time frame above, in this case the 15-minute, is displayed in red, and all others are displayed in black. The exception to this being on the 15-minute chart, where the hourly time frame is displayed in red, since the 30-minute MA level is not used, as mentioned previously. In order to highlight trend direction, it can be helpful to display the MA for the time frame above in the normal manner, as well as the short red horizontal line. This can be done by adding an MA to the chart, setting the period to represent the time frame above, the colour to red, and the visualization property accordingly. Since this is a dynamic indicator, a slight adjustment to the MA period may be required to align it with the short red horizontal line. This process can be repeated on the other time frames if required. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.